Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on a Windows 10 or 11 laptop quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the web browser that's already installed on your computer, such as Microsoft Edge. Go to google.com, search for the keyword Chrome, and click on the first result. When the Google Chrome website appears, you'll see a Download Chrome button. Click on it. The website will automatically suggest the version of Chrome that's compatible with your computer's operating system. Once the installation file has been downloaded, open it. The Google Chrome installation window will pop up. Here, simply click on Run or Yes to confirm and allow the installation. If the download window doesn't open automatically, locate the file on your computer, which is usually saved in the Downloads folder on Drive C. The installation process will begin automatically, and you just need to wait for a few minutes. When the installation is complete, Google Chrome will launch automatically. Now you can sign in with your Gmail account or skip it for later and start using Chrome. If you're new to Chrome, don't forget to check out the tutorial videos in the playlist linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel for more interesting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.